So this 2-minute tech tip is going to show you how to add bookmarks to a video. I don't know if that's actually what YouTube calls them, but that's what I'm calling them. And so if you look at this video that I've created, you'll notice that the timeline is put into like these chunks. And if you hover over the timeline, the chunk has a name. So it's all the way through the video. And if you come down here to the description, you can see the different sections laid out, and I can click on a section and it will take me to that part of the video. So that's pretty handy. It's a nice little table of contents to get you to different sections of the video. And you can even go backwards, like I can go back to the previous section. All right, so how do you do that? So when you upload your YouTube video, in the description, all you actually have to do is you have to create the timeline. Like I typed in the timeline, which meant I had to listen back over to the video. I kind of had this open while I was listening to the video, and then make note of the times of the different sections. Once you do that, you put that in. I didn't change anything. Anyhow, once you put that in and save it, it becomes part of the description, and YouTube automatically hot links the times to the different sections, and then it automatically names each section. So if you have time, that's a really useful way to organize longer videos into chunks that make it easy for students to navigate.